Core Civic Merchandising Lifeline Assistance is a loan organization for all regular employees of Civic Group of Companies.
And this is Civic General Assembly 2025.
So I would like to take this opportunity po na magpasalamat sa lahat po ng mga taong tumulong sa Simela and sa lahat po ng mga naging part ng journey ng Simela outgoing officers and then yung mga incoming officers po. Kung wala po kayo, wala rin po si Simela. So, thankful po ako sa nabigay na opportunity sa akin ni Civic na maging part po ng Simela.
Kumusta? Simela has gradually lumalaki tayo and it also helped a lot of people na nakakatulong ba sa inyo ang Simela?
Magandang makakalikasang umaga sa ating lahat. We have been going around trying to convince people, encourage people na magkaroon naman tayo ng awareness as far as environment, especially yung waste is concerned.
Parang naging clear sa atin, di ba? Parang itong pagiging pag-aalaga sa environment, hindi lang yan yung mga korporasyon o yung mga gobyerno ang bahala. Kailangan nagsisimula sa atin yan.
Habang dumadami populasyon, dumadami din ang basura natin. So kailangan nagawa natin ng paraan. And hindi lang kami po sa waste management business, ang importante po tayo pong lahat.
Today we'll be tackling all about your HMO benefits. Intellicare is partnered to 64,000 doctors and specialists, and we have 1.2 million members, and that's still growing.
Thank you for Simela for every year na nagkakameron tayo ng General Assembly, for the past officers and to the incoming officers ng Simela. Thank you.
And mind you, yung members ng ito are all volunteers just para sa inyo, lalo na yung mga nangangailangan. So it's a difficult job kasi minsan mga emergency, kailangan na doon, so I have to do it quickly.
The past 2 years, parang they gave a lot of effort into providing initiatives for us to be able to provide. Kasi nga, di ba, yung motto nila, di ba, we reach out, we provide, and we help.
So what is the objective of Simela? Is to assist and provide financial support to Civic Group of Companies through granting of loans to the employee.